Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. Happy Sunday. Really appreciate you guys for sticking around and showing so much love. You guys can tell by the title of the video, we're going to be talking about Book of Memes, see what is happening, what has changed, and of course, what we could be expecting as we go further into the brand new month of April. And as you know, Book of Meme was launched this month alone. And a lot of people have such high expectations right off the bat. To be quite frank with you, Book of Meme made some massive gains in such a short period of time. It made history, to be quite frank with you. But, there's going to come a time, where you do see a little bit of a consolidation, and this is where people just lose their patience. At the end of the day, it's a meme coin. You need to really educate yourself what a meme coin is, and always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in these projects. I cannot stress this enough. But let's take a look at what's happening with Book of Meme and what we could be expecting as we go into the month of April. So, looking at the price, March 31st, last day of the month, we're currently sitting at 1.4 cents for Book of Meme, down 3.5% over the past 24 hours in Bitcoin and USD comparative. Market cap just shy of $1 billion, to be exact, about $968 million. And the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $408 million. Not bad at all. But before we continue, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So, I really wanted to kind of talk about today, before we pull out the charts, of course, we're going to talk about the price and everything. But, Dark Farms is a genius, in my opinion. The way, every other meme coin, it's like, about the same thing. It's either like community driven. At the end of the day, everything is community driven. Let me get that out of the way. So especially meme coins, that is what thrives. But, what Dark Farms is doing is something so unique. Dark Farms is an artist, and an NFT artist in the space. And, he or she, whoever it is, they're making headlines. And what I mean by that is you're seeing art and on other chains where people bid for these specific NFTs, and whatever the money that's raised in Bome, and hear me out very carefully, it's in Bome. Whatever money that's raised in Bome, Dark Farms, who is the dev of Book of Meme, burns that. Guess what that's doing to the supply? Decreasing it. And that is interesting because, again, we're talking about not a small amount of money. We're not talking about $100. We're not talking about $200. We're talking about $500,000, more than that. That has been, in terms of, like, if you combine all the sales that have happened, we're talking about almost $1 million actually, that has been burned. So put that into perspective. You should just understand what this dev is trying to do. Usually we know devs are not the best in terms of meme coins. They try to pocket it for themselves, but you are seeing Dark Farms bringing a unique twist to it, and that is what is exciting. So you can see it's Dark Farms posted this about an hour ago. Thank you, Jupiter Exchange Friends, for the trust. LFG 788,554 Bome raised for. Can you dig it dig it, JPEG R. So you can pretty much see this is happening, and obviously if you were to go down, engagement is obviously really nice that is occurring, and I like this. It's really unique, and kudos to Dark Farms. Again, like I said, I always keep it neutral. If I were to see any sort of negative red flags here and there, I would completely say them outright. But what Dark Farms is doing is very unique. So that is obviously worthwhile noting. If we were to go, look at this, a lot of engagement, and at the end of the day, you want to see engagement. And you can see sold out. Can we have a secondary market sales in Bome on ETH or base? I think friends like to buy art with Bome. See this? I think friends like buy art with Bome. So this is insane when you really put this into perspective. If this gets to another level, and bunch of whales, now hear me out, bunch of whales are supporting these sales. There was one that sold for around $250,000 USD. $250,000 USD. And that whale was able to send that because he sees the value. So interesting, very interesting. Kudos to Dark Farms for keeping it unique. So now, if we're looking at the overall markets, obviously if you watch my Pepe update, you know about this, but if not, we'll kind of briefly go over it. Let's give it a refresh live. Market valuation combined 71.2 billion, up 2.3%. You're seeing the big dog up to 4.1%. You're seeing dog with head. As far as Solana meme coins go, it's making history right now, guys. We're almost approaching $5 billion $5 billion mark. This is the first meme coin pretty much since the last bear market that's approaching that $5 billion mark. We have not seen that happen yet, and Dogwiffe had definitely making some headlines. But if you're looking at Book of Meme in terms of comparison with Dogwiffe had, it's obviously market's valuation is much lower. If I were to give you guys the exact, I think it's about like 4 times the bigger Dogwiffe had. But Book of Meme, as you guys know, I am extremely bullish on this. I think this has a lot of legs in itself. But again, with that being said, this is just my own personal opinion at the end of the day. Meme coins should be treated like meme coins. Now, if you're interested in a bunch of these meme coins, always do your own due diligence research. Really understand what you're getting yourself into and the risk associated to them. And if you still want to go ahead and add some of these meme coins into your portfolio, the best thing that I try to teach you guys is with meme coins, let's say even if you are willing to lose $100, let's say that's okay if you were to invest in, if you were to lose it, that's totally fine. If that was the case, I would even invest half of that and put it into a few of them, so your risk factor does decrease. But never throw your life savings into crypto, and no matter what coin, Bitcoin, never that. I cannot stress this enough. You don't want to be stressing over that. Trust me on that. But anyways, let's continue. If you're looking at BTC dominance, 53.58%, not much has changed on there. BTC, as far as the price is concerned, a lot of consolidation pretty much since the 25th of March. It's been some days now that the price of BTC is not able to break out of the 71,500. But if it's able to close a daily candle here, I think that would be good. But tomorrow is April 1st. Is going to be interesting how the market reacts. But let's take a look at Bome. What's happening with the price? So if you've noticed, pretty much after March 18th low, we have pretty much been above this key resistance, which I spoke to you guys about. And speaking about this key resistance, obviously now it's playing as a level of support. We did get supported by here a few different times. You can pretty much see this for yourself. So that's really nice to see, to be quite frank with you. A project, when it pumps up like this, you need to see the project find a ground for itself. What I mean by finding a ground is consolidate, right? Because there's no levels of support, significant level of support where it would be like, just bouncing. But, I like what I'm seeing here. You're bouncing back and forth above this key support line at 1295, and I'm liking that. We've seen several tries of Bome trying to see this breakout. You're looking at this 15.64 cents resistance playing as quite a strong level of resistance. We've seen several retests around here, but remember, there's leverage trading that's involved. There's a lot of factors that go into this, but if it's able to break out at this key resistance, guys, I think we're going to that 2 cents mark. I'm very, very confident on that. If you want to put this into perspective, 2 cents is about a 40% move from the current price levels. And as we know, meme coins can move quite fast, especially the ones that are hyped up. And remember, let me show you guys something crazy, and a lot of people overlook this, but you really want to be understanding this on a bigger scale. Where is it? Explorer, Solana, where's Solana scan? There, oh yeah, there it is. Wow, I'm so confused. Anyways, 72,275 holders. That's not what I wanted to show you, but of course, this is really nice to see. I wanted to show you guys the holder count. 53.9% of this entire supply is owned by Binance itself. That is huge. So is Binance going to do massive amounts of giveaways? Again, this is pure speculation, but we know in the past with other meme coins such as Pepe, they have done that. They have ran a lot of different, giveaways, engagement with their people on the exchanges. So could they do that? Possibly. So that is obviously really nice to see, but do let me know your thoughts down below. I'm liking what I'm seeing. Obviously a lot of people just want to see the explosive moves towards the upside, but patience is required. But I am very confident that Bome will do some great things. But at the end of the day, that's my own personal opinion. Always do your own due diligence and research when investing in crypto. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.